Welcome to Shimla. Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh in India. It located in northern India above sea level 2,205 meters. It is very popular holiday during the summer. Let us enjoy with the place of interest. First is the Mall Road. The Mall Road in Shimla have many restaurants and many bars here, and we can shop. It's very beautiful surrounding. And let us enjoy with the second place is Town Hall. Can you see this building in the front? That can you see in the camera? Town Hall or Municipal Corporation. It's a style neo-Gothic architecture. It had built when the British is come to India and India is under their control. Next place is the Ridge. The Ridge it's a simple mall to walk. The Ridge is a center of Shimla. Cultural and social life, an excellent place to view the surrounding mountain. Let us see. Very beautiful surrounding.